If you walk into an electronics shop or search online for a new laptop today, you'll see one or two models from every major manufacturer with the word Copilot Plus in their name. There's also a lot of buzz around AI on these laptops. So what exactly makes them different? How did all these brands get together to decide on one common name? And should you buy one of them? Well, the main thing that all these laptops have in common is that they run Windows, and it was Microsoft that came up with the term Copilot for all the AI-powered features that it has added to its software. Here's one example, the Asus VivoBook S15, and other than this one sticker, you wouldn't notice that there's anything different about it. Copilot Plus simply means that these laptops meet all the requirements to run these features. That means they have to have a CPU with integrated AI processing capabilities, hardware that's referred to as an NPU or Neural Processing Unit. While this term has been around for a while, Microsoft has decided that 40 TOPS or trillion operations per second is the minimum requirement for Copilot Plus features to work. The big twist here is that the only CPUs currently available with this kind of NPU power are Qualcomm's new Snapdragon X chips. Qualcomm, which most people will associate with smartphones, has been trying to break into the laptop space for years now and is finally ready. Intel and AMD, whose chips have powered nearly all mainstream laptops for the past 40 years or so, will have options coming out later this year. So what exactly does an NPU do? It accelerates the specific kinds of math used by AI operations, which would otherwise take a lot of time and power to run on a standard CPU or GPU, or would need to be sent to a remote cloud server for processing. For Copilot Plus laptops, that means using the Copilot chatbot, generating images on the fly, cleaning up video for better conference calls, and translating languages live. So effectively, all Copilot Plus laptops on the market right now are powered by Qualcomm CPUs, and Microsoft is generating buzz around AI features rather than letting the focus go to what is different. If you're using your laptop for work and communication online, you shouldn't have any trouble. Web browsers like Chrome and many everyday apps including Microsoft Office and Adobe's Creative Suite are now compatible. On the inside, however, the processor architecture is completely different and not everything will just work. Some users have reported trouble with older hardware, and you might also run into issues with software that is either older or designed for niche use cases. In some cases, especially games, performance might be degraded. In others, software simply won't work until developers release a compatible version. Qualcomm also promises long battery life, quiet operation, and thin and light designs for laptops powered by its chips. Strangely, none of these laptops have integrated 5G, which is one of Qualcomm's biggest strengths, but we might see such models in the future. Copilot Plus is just the beginning, and while everyone's attention is on AI, the real story is that the biggest shift in PC hardware in the last 40-odd years is well underway, and because of that, not everything about these laptops might work as you expect. Casual home users and students shouldn't notice any difference, but if you rely on specific hardware or software for your work, it would be best to make sure exactly what processor your next laptop has inside it. So tell us what you think about AI on laptops and Copilot Plus in the comments section. And if you like this video, do leave us a like and subscribe to our channel.